payroll as a congressional staffer. On the Money Watch tonight, top officials of Standard & Poor's are not backing down from their decision to downgrade the U.S. government's credit rating. CBS4's Tiffany Helberg joins us now with how the Obama administration is reacting and what the downgrade could mean for your money. Tiffany?
Natalia, top officials for the Standard & Poor's defended their decision today to lower our credit rating from a AAA to a AA+. The Obama administration said the move was based on faulty math, but S&P officials are now insisting they had warned the U.S. government that this would happen if it did not create a good deficit-cutting plan. America's gold-plated credit rating just took a hit after nearly a century of perfect credit.
It's the first time in the United States history that our credit rating, the nation's credit rating, has been lowered.
It's something financial analysts like Jack Howell are watching very closely. Howell founded the American Institute for Financial Education.
It is a big deal, and we're really in uncharted waters.
The White House said the talks that led to this week's deal on hiking the borrowing limit took too long and were at times too divisive. The president predicted the move would inflict pain across the board.
A lower credit rating would result potentially in a tax increase on everyone in the form of higher interest rates on their mortgages, their car loans, their credit cards.
Bad news to South Floridians trying to pull through an already difficult economy.
I have a car loan, which if my interest rate goes up is going to make me take money away from other things that I might be spending it on.
That means, less time to go out to spend money. Just be more conservative about saving my money,
Some say the stock market saw this coming. This past week was its worst week since the 2008 financial crisis.
Some investors have been leaving the stock market and have been shifting their capital into quote-unquote safe havens, which are generally U.S. Treasury debts. Individual investors should be aware that we're in turbulent times, and we probably will be in these times for some time to come in the future.
The S&P says it's also issuing the U.S. a negative outlook, which means basically that if Washington cannot prove itself fiscally responsible, another downgrade could be on its way. Live in the studio, Tiffany Helberg, CBS4 News.
Thank you, Tiffany. Well, loved ones and fellow